Good day everyone, my name is Teacher Flora, your math teacher. Today we're going to tackle about divisibility rules for 4, 8, 11, and 12 to find the common factors of numbers. May I present to you my slides? First, we are going to give the first three multiples of the given numbers. Question number 1, multiples of 4. Question number 2, multiples of 8. Question number 3, multiples of 11. Question number 4, multiples of 12. Multiples. A multiple is a number which can be divided by another number without a remainder. For example, 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. Give the first three multiples of the given numbers. Question number 1, multiples of 4. But before that, let us sing the multiple of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. That's the way we count by fours in multiplication. So the first three multiples of 4, kapag ang 4 dinagdagan ng 4 ay 8, ang 8 dagdagan ng 4 ay 12, 12 dagdagan ng 4 ay 16, and so on and so forth. So ang sagot po natin ay 8, 12, 16. Question number 2, multiples of 8. But before that, let us sing the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 30, 240, 40, 856, 64, 72, and 80. Kapag ang 8, dagdagan ng 8 ay 16. 16 dagdagan ng 8 ay 24. 24 dagdagan ng 8 ay 32. And so on and so forth. So our answer, so give the first three multiples of 8. The answer are 16, 24, 32. Question number 3, multiples of 11. Ang 11 ay madali lang po tatandaan. Ang gagawin lang po is double the number. Like for example, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, and 110, and so on. The first three multiples of 11, the answer are 22, 33, 44. Number 4, multiples of 12. The multiples of 12 are 12 dagdagan ng 12, 24, 24 dagdagan ng 12, 36, 36 dagdagan ng 12 ay 48, and so on and so forth. So the three multiples of 12, the answer are 24, 36, 48. For our proper discussion, we're going to tackle about divisibility rules for 4, 8, 11, and 12 to find the common factors of numbers. Number formed by the last two digits, number ending 20, number ending 20, divisible by 4, divisible by number formed by the last three digits, number ending 30, number ending 30, divisible by 8, divisible by 8. Divisible by 4 if the last two digits form a number that is divisible by 4. Also, numbers ending in 2 zeros or 20 are divisible by 4. For example, 348. Ang dulo ng 348 ay 48. 48 hatiin sa 4, 12. Another example, 412. Ang dulo ng 412, the last two digits ay 12. 12 hatiin sa 4 ay 3. Next, 2,632. Ang dulo niya ay 32. 32 hatiin sa 4 ay 8. Next, 100. The last two digits is 2 0. Tulad nga ng kata natin, the last two, 0 is divisible by 4. So 100 hatiin sa 4 is 25. Next, 500. 500 hatiin sa 4 ay 125. Another example, 200. 200 hatiin sa 4 ay 50. So napapansin nyo, example are 100, 200, 500. They are ending 2 zeros. So it's exactly divisible by 4. by 4, ang tatandaan po natin, last 2 digits ay divisible by 4. Another, number ending 2 zeros are divisible by 4. For example, 200. 200 ang dulo niya ay 2 zero. So 200 dating sa 4 is equal to 50. Therefore, 200 is divisible by 4. Another example, 348. 348 ang dulo niya ay 48. 48 dating sa 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, 348 is divisible by 4. Divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Also, a number ending 3 zeros are also divisible by 8. For example, 2,184. Ang dulo niya ay 184. The last 3 digits is 184. 184 hatiin sa 8 ay 23. Next, 9,216. Ang dulo niya, 216. 216 hatiin sa 8 is 27. Next, 78,128. Ang dulo niya is 128. 128 divided by 8 is equal to 16. 1,000. Ang dulo ng 1,000 ay 3 zero. So, 1,000 hatiin sa 8 is 125. Another, 5,000. Ang dulo ng 5,000, the last 3 digits is 3 zero. So, 5,000 hatiin sa 8 is equal to 625. Another example, 3,096. Ang dulo ng 3,096 ay 96. The last 2 digits is 96. 96 hatiin sa 8 ay 12. Or kung gagamitin natin ang calculator, 3,096 divided by 8 is equal to 387. Another example, 2,000. Ang dulo ng 2,000 ay 3 zero. 2,000 divided by 8 is equal to 250. Another example, 2,184. The last 2 digits is 184. 184 hatiin sa 8 is 23. Therefore, 2,184 is divisible by 8. Next, 9,216. 216 is the last 3 digits. 216 hatiin sa 8 is 27. Therefore, 9,216 is divisible by 8. Next, 78,128. The last 3 digits is 128. 128 divided by 8 is equal to 16. Therefore, 78,128 is divisible by 8. Next is 1,000. The last 3 digits is 3 zeros, so it's divisible by 8. 1,000 hatiin sa 8 is 125. Another, 5,000. 5,000 hatiin sa 8 is 625. Therefore, 1,000 and 5,000 is divisible by 8. Divisible by 11, the difference between the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places in either 0 or number divisible by 11. For example, 28,413. Pagsamahin natin ang ating odd places, si 2, 4, at 3. 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9. At ang ating even places na si 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Pag sinabing get the difference, ibig sabihin, ima-minus natin. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, 28,413 is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. What are the steps for divisible by 11? Step 1. Add the digits in the odd places. Step 2. Add the digits in the even places. Step 3. Don't forget to get the difference of the odd and the even places. Step 4. Divide the difference of the 2 by 11. For example, 35,794. Ang ating odd places is 3 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 14. Ang ating namang even places ay 5 at 9. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Kapag binabawas natin ang odd places at saka even places, 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore, 35,794 hatiin sa 11 is equal to 3,254. Therefore, 35,794 is divisible by 11. By 11, a number is divisible by 11 if the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places is multiple of 11 or 0. Another example, divisible by 11, 10,813. So, ang ating odd places is 1, 8, 3. 1 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 12. Ang ating even places is 0 at 1. So, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Kapag sinasubtract natin ang odd places and even places, 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Next, 1,562. Ang ating odd places ay 5 at 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Ang ating even places naman, 1 at 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Kapag sinasubtract natin ang odd places and even places, so 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1,562 is divisible by 11, or the result is 142. Therefore, 1,562 is divisible by 11. Next, 2,463. Ang ating odd places ay 4 at 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Ang ating even places ay 2 in 6. So, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Therefore, 2,463 divided by 11 is equal to 223.91. Therefore, 2,463 is not divisible by 11. Sum of each digit, divisible by both, divisible by both, divisible by 3 and 4, divisible by 3 and 4, divisible by 12, divisible by 12, divisible by 12. Divisible by 12, any number that is divisible by both 3 and 4. So, kapag sinabing divisible by 3, huwag niyong kalimutan, get the sum of each digit and then divide it by 3. Kapag sinabi namang divisible by 4, huwag niyong tandaan the last two digits is dalawang 0 or the last two digits is divisible by 4. Like for example, 7,980 is divisible by 3 and divisible by 4. So, 7,980, 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 0 is equal to 24. 24 hatiin sa tatlo is equal to 8. So, it's divisible by 3. Check natin kung it's divisible by 4. So, 7,980, ang dulo niya ay 80. So, 80 hatiin sa 4 is equal to 20. So, it's divisible by 4. It's divisible by 3. It's divisible by 4. Therefore, it's divisible by 12. Another example, 1,242. Check natin if it's divisible by 3 or divisible by 4. So, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 hatiin sa tatlo is equal to 3. So, 1,242. Ang dulo niya, the last two digits is 42. 42 hatiin sa 4 ay, again, 42 hatiin sa 4 is 10.5. So, it's not divisible by 4. It's only divisible by 3 but not by 4. Therefore, 1,242 is not divisible by 12.